Welcome to our commercial advertising photography class. I'm glad you've joined us. There are different types of light applied in an image, with different importance. Today let's learn about those light types. We categorized light into primary light, auxiliary light, contour light, background light, and accent light. Let me show you through some photo shooting. Primary light is the main light used in shooting, showing the object's form, shape, and texture. That's what it does. Let's turn on a primary light source. We could see that the target, this gypsum object, shows its form and texture. Let's take a picture and see how it looks. Obviously, in the picture, there are distinct light and shade, and the object's texture and form stand out well. This is what primary light does. Next, let's find out about auxiliary light. It is also called supporting light, to supplement primary light and enhance the brightness and quality of the dark areas and adjust the contrast. Diffused light from the sky, reflected light from around, light from flash lamp, or a reflector can all add fill light and act as auxiliary light. Let's see the effects of auxiliary light from the flash lamp and the reflector. First, let's try flash lamp for fill light and see how it works as auxiliary light. Now there is a certain contrast between left and right. Auxiliary light is to provide fill light to dark areas created by primary light. Let's try the reflector now. What we can see next is how a reflector works as auxiliary light. They all add fill light to the shooting. Let's learn about contour light now. Contour light helps show the shape of the object. It makes the object stand out from the background. Let's take a picture to see how contour light works. Okay, we can see that. With contour light, the object is separated from the background. What's worth noticing is that if contour light gets too close to backlighting, there will be lens flare, producing unwanted haze or light spots, which gets especially worse with UV lens of low light transmittance. That's why when we are handling contour light, we must try to use lens hood and remove the UV lens to protect contour light. Next, let's find out about background light. It is used to light up the background. It mainly gives the background a dimensional quality. Let's take a photo and see. This shows how it looks with primary light and background light. It's worth noticing that background light is for background, and it is cast upon the background instead of the object. As we can see, it is different from all the other types of light. Now let's add some color to it and see how it looks. Let's try red first. Next, let's try blue. Different colors have different effects on the image, as we have found out. Background light does have a great effect on the image. At last, let's talk about accent light. It is also called effect light. It is meant to make up for where light is inadequate in an image, to modify specific areas of the object, and to highlight or emphasize certain areas, so as to modify and beautify the image before we apply accent light. Let's just imagine that the object is wearing an earring. To modify the ear area, we can apply accent light. To highlight it, let's apply it and see. I'm using a snoot here for a light beam, concentrating the light on the ear. Let's see how primary light works with modifier light. As is apparent to us, that accent light works well in that area, supplementing primary light and presenting with more details. The specific area, all those types of light are useful. Primary light, contour light, or background light all have their respective roles to play. Let's review what we have learned. In this session, we have studied the 5 types of light for photo shooting: primary light, auxiliary light, contour light, background light, and modifier light. This knowledge helps us understand better different light positions and better manage different types of light.